How to fix USB not working in Windows 11. How you can see, I have connected my USB, but USB is not showing in my computer anywhere. So how to fix USB not showing up? It's easy. You just need to right click on this PC, click on manage. Here you will see on the left side disk management. Click on this. As you can see, USB is not mounted. Right click on it, then click on this change drive letter here. Here you can see a 8 button. Click on this, then click on this assign, then OK. That's it. Here you can see USB is successfully mounted. Let me take you to the folder explorer again. USB is showing in my computer now. I can even show you its properties. So that's how you can fix USB not working or not showing up in Windows 11. If this video was to the point, then please like, comment, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.